What's up, superstars? On today's video, we've got a really exciting update that we just added onto our website. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or with ordering transfers or you're new, this is going to really help you guys out in achieving perfect gang sheets. It's a really quick time saver. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we got done. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head over to our website. If you guys are not familiar, it's transfersuperstars.com. And this is going to take you to the main page. There's two different ways to submit your orders to us. You can submit a regular DTF or gang sheet that's already pre-made, or in this case, we're going to use the DTF Gangsheet Builder Pro. So go ahead and select that option. It's going to take you to this page where you guys can select different gang sheets. We have our minimum at 22 by 12, or you can get a gang sheet up to 22 by 100. And of course, you guys can do multiple gang sheets if needed. We're going to go ahead and choose to say the 22 by 24 just to get started. Again, guys, you can always make adjustments and if you need to. Now you can choose a rush service if you need to, but let's just go ahead and move on with the build your own gang sheet. Now this is going to take you to a new window where it's going to pop up three different options. The first option is going to be starting off a brand new gang sheet if you're a guest. You can go ahead and also load up a previous gang sheet if you already have an account with us. Or we're going to use the auto build feature here. It's the green one. And this is going to take you to a new window where you can go ahead and upload all your images. I already prepared everything into a folder, so all I need to do is highlight everything and click open. And it's going to start loading everything up. And depending on the file size, it may take a little bit longer, but overall it's a pretty quick upload process. Now you've seen all the 5 images get uploaded here. All you need to do at this point is to set the quantities and to double check the resolutions. So as far as resolutions, as you guys can see, this is a green box here. This shows that it is optimal resolution at 300 dpi. If you need to make adjustments to the sizes, you guys can make adjustments here. But as you've seen me adjust it 3 inches higher to 14 inches, it becomes bad resolution because it's stretching a smaller image to a larger image. So in this case, you rather get a large image and shrink it down shorter so that you can retain a high quality image. We're going to go ahead and assume that everything is sized correctly, all the resolution is fine, and we're only going to be adjusting quantities. So for example, these I'm going to do at 10 pieces. I'm going to do 100 neck tags. Let's do 10 of these images, another 10 of this, and then lastly, this strip effect, we're just going to do 20 pieces here. Last thing you're going to do is click apply, and that's the magic. It's going to go ahead and create these gang sheets. So it just used the quantities that I set. It created 9 different gang sheets at the 22 by 24 mark, which is what we originally started with. But the beauty of this is at a click, you can go ahead and resize this to, let's say, 6 pieces at 22 by 36. If you want to consolidate even more, you can go ahead and use this one, or 22 by 72, 3 sheets of that, or the most effective is going to be 22 by 100, 2 of those, and a 22 by 12. As you guys can see right here, this just built the gang sheets in a matter of clicks. Let's say I'm happy with this one. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. You can always make edits. You can add more quantities to the gang sheet. I want, let's say, 3 of these. You can click 3, and then let's say for the 22 by 12, which is the smallest sheet, I know that there's some extra space here. So if I want to maximize this space, I can go ahead and, let's say I want to delete that. I want to copy 1 row here. I'm just going to go ahead and click duplicate. It will duplicate that. It's just that easy. If I want to add even more, let's go ahead and make this even bigger. Let's go ahead and highlight this, and let's go ahead and duplicate it some more. So it's just that easy to duplicate. And then the next thing that you need to do at this point, if you want to, you can always check the backgrounds. As you guys can see, I turned it gray so that you can visibly see stuff. If you need to zoom in more, you can always zoom in more to take a look at the details here. You can also, if you have white graphics, you can click on the black option. It'll turn the whole background black. And of course, this is just a visual aid. It doesn't add the background to it. You can also make some adjustments when needed, mess with the margins. It's just very, very simple to use. So after this is done, you guys can go ahead and click checkout, and you guys can just go ahead and pay for the gang sheet. We'll check everything for you guys and resume printing. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and this tutorial will help you guys set this up the proper way. It'll show you guys how much time you guys can actually save while using our Gangsheet Builder. And again, my name is Phil, so if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave a comment below. I'll help you guys guide you through this process. Since it's a newer process, you might have to run it a few times before you get used to it, but trust me guys, it's gonna be a lot easier. My name is Phil. I'll catch you guys on that next one.